In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your spindle nut located right here behind your spindle nut cap. I'm going to remove our center cap here. Just going to pop in through this little notch right here. Get behind there and pop that off. I'm going to use a 21mm socket. I'm going to loosen and remove our lug nuts. Once we have our lug nuts loose, go ahead and grab the wheel, slide it off, and set it aside. In order to remove our spindle nut cap, I'm going to use a chisel tip. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around the edge here. Now there's going to be a seam right around here, and I'm going to gently work this. Work this all the way around evenly. You need to try not to damage that cap at all. You just want to work that cap until it pops off. Pop that off and set that aside. Using a 35mm socket, let's go ahead and loosen and remove the spindle nut. Take your new spindle nut, thread that on. Let's go ahead and snug that down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install 2 lug nuts here. I'm going to use our pry bar here to go between these 2 lug nuts. And we want to go ahead and torque this nut down to 184 foot-pounds. Once that's torqued, remove your pry bar, remove the lug nuts. Let's go ahead and install our cap here. What I'm going to use is a punch with a flat tip on it here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way around, working this evenly until it's fully seated. You're all set. Go ahead and grab your wheel. Set that on. Let's go ahead and get our lug nuts all started by hand, and then we'll go ahead and snug those down. Let's go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds. Now go ahead and put on your center cap. Just line that up. Pop that on, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.